Hi everyone, this is Christine again from Signature Chain, and we are back with another video. Previously, we showed you on our how-to videos 1 and 2 how to connect your Waves account to the Sika web app, and as well as how to buy Sika in the application. So now, we would like to show you how to send and receive Sika token, okay? So in the web app, let's sign in, enter your password, click on authorize, and you will then arrive in the overview page of your Waves account, and on the header you will find your Sika and Waves balance and as well as your Waves address. Okay, so right after are relevant widgets indicating Sika and Waves current market price, and also this one right here, this is your total Sika balance in terms of US dollars. Okay, so also you will find your latest transactions in this list, which includes all your inward or received transactions, your outward or sent transactions, and as well as your file and document certifications, which are marked with a seal like this one. So going back to the Waves Keeper, you are actually able to manage multiple different accounts, and by clicking on this icon, you can automatically switch your account in the web app. For demo purposes, I will be using my marketing account and will be sending Sika from this account towards my personal account. And for reference, let's do check the amount of Sika I have on this account. So as you can see here, I do have 9,000 Sika on my personal account. Okay, so let's switch back again to my marketing account. And so for example, I hired a freelancer and I want to pay 4,000 for a project. Okay, so now to send Sika, just click on the send tab right here. And you will have to enter the recipient's or the freelancer's Waves address, and also the amount of Sika, of course, so that would be 4,000. And if you want to include the message for this transaction just for reference, notice that you have the option to pay the transaction fee in either Sika or Waves, and that is totally up to you. We've added this feature just in case you didn't have Waves anymore on your Waves account. Okay, so to proceed, just click on confirm and then enter your password. Click on authorize if you confirm the transaction. Okay, so once the transaction is successful, it will be shown on the withdrawal history of your Waves account. Now that the transaction is here, let's just break down the parts. Here you can find the date and time of transaction. This is the Waves address of the recipient. This is the transaction ID, and if you click on this, Waves Explorer will open up with the detail of the transaction written on the blockchain. Okay, so let's just close this one. Here you can find the amount. This is the amount of Sika I sent. And if you click on this icon, you will find the message that I included in this transaction. Okay, so also I want to show you that the 4,000 actually arrived on my personal account. So let's just switch account. Okay, so now the balance of this account is 13,000 Sika. If you remember, I had 9,000 Sika. So that's 9,000 plus 4,000, it's 13,000. For receiving, just simply go to the Receive tab. Here you can find your Sika balance. For this account, I do have 13,000 Sika. Now this is your Waves address. This is similar to this one, to the one in the header. And if you want to quickly copy it, just click on this link. And we've also added a QR code for a quick scan, which you can download from here, from this link. And both the Waves address and the QR code can be shared and sent to anyone for receiving payments. Okay, so lastly, we've also added a deposit history, which is a list of all your incoming transactions. So this right here is the 4,000 that I have just sent from my marketing account. And if you click on this link, this icon, this is the message that I've included. Again, this is the date and time of transaction. This is the sender's Waves address, which means that this is my marketing account's Waves address. Okay. So this is the transaction ID, which if you click on it, this is the details of the transaction written on the blockchain. Finally, do watch out for our last video on our how-to series. We will show you how to certify files and documents in the web app. Thank you, everyone!